Are you planning to travel or move to Italy in 2025? Whether it's for tourism, studying, working, or reuniting with family, this video will guide you through the entire process step by step. From choosing the right visa type to preparing your documents, booking your appointment, passing the interview, and even boosting your approval chances, I've got you covered. Make sure to watch till the end, especially if you're applying from countries like Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, or the Middle East, where the rejection rate is often higher due to missing small but critical details. First, let's talk about the type of visa you need. Italy offers different visa types based on your purpose of travel. If you are planning a short trip of fewer than 90 days for tourism, visiting friends or family, or business, you'll need a Schengen visa, also known as Type C. However, if you're going to study, work, or stay longer than 90 days, you'll need a national visa, which is called Type D. The most common visas include the tourist visa, student visa, work visa, and family reunification visa. Each one has a slightly different process and set of documents, so choosing the correct type is the most important first step. Once you've identified the correct visa, the next step is to start the application. You need to fill out the visa application form, which can be downloaded from the official website of the Italian embassy in your country or the VFS Global site if your embassy uses them. Take your time with this form. One small mistake can delay your process or lead to rejection. After the form is ready, you need to gather the required documents. These usually include a valid passport, recent passport size photos, proof of travel insurance with at least 30,000 euros coverage, flight reservation, hotel bookings, and your bank statements for the last 3 to 6 months. If you're applying for a student visa, you lines also need your university admission letter and proof of sufficient funds to cover your tuition and living costs. For a work visa, you must have a job offer or a work contract issued by an Italian employer. And if you're applying for family reunification, you'll need proof of your relationship and your sponsor's residency status in Italy. Once everything is ready, you'll book your appointment with VFS or the Italian consulate in your region. Book early appointments fill up quickly, especially during peak seasons. Now let's talk about the visa interview, which is a key part of the process. A lot of people get rejected at this stage not because their documents are wrong, but because they seem unprepared or nervous. So, what can you do? First, be confident and polite. Speak clearly and make sure your answers match the information on your form. For example, if you say you're going to stay for 10 days, but your hotel booking shows 20, that can raise suspicion. Bring all your documents neatly arranged and expect basic questions like, why are you going to Italy? Who will pay for your trip? Do you plan to return? Why did you choose this university? What kind of job will you do there? Be honest, never lie or submit fake documents. If the embassy suspects anything suspicious, your visa will be denied, and in some cases, you might even get blacklisted. After your interview, you'll have to wait. Processing time for Schengen visas is usually 15 working days, but for national visas, like student or work permits, it can take 30 to 60 days or even longer. You'll get a tracking number and can follow your application status online. If your visa is approved, your passport will come back with the visa sticker attached. Check all the details carefully like your name, passport number, visa dates, and entry type. If it's denied, the embassy will give you a reason. You can either appeal or apply again after fixing the issue. Don't get discouraged. Many people are approved on their second attempt at correcting mistakes. Now, here are some pro tips to help you increase your chances of getting approved. First, apply early. Do not wait for the last moment, especially during summer or university intake seasons. Second, don't buy real flight tickets before your visa is approved. Just get a reservation. It saves money and is safer. Third, make sure your travel insurance is accepted by all Schengen countries, not just Italy. Fourth, make your bank statements Look realistic. Avoid last-minute large deposits. This looks suspicious. Finally, prepare mentally for the interview. Practice your answers in front of a mirror or with a friend. The more confident you look, the better your chances. Getting a visa for Italy in 2025 is not impossible, but it does require preparation. If you are clear about your purpose, your documents are genuine, and you follow the steps properly, there's a very high chance you'll succeed. And remember, your visa is just the beginning. Once you're in Italy, you'll experience one of the most beautiful and culturally rich countries in the world. Whether it's strolling through Rome, enjoying pasta in Florence, or attending university in Milan. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more immigration and travel guides. I read every comment, so if you have questions, drop them below, and I'll try to help you out. Buon fortuna and see you in Italy.